Panasonic's front-load washing machines feature a stylish and sophisticated finish with industry-leading features designed to make washing easy and energy efficient. The active foam system creates fine, high-density foam before the washing cycle starts. Fine foam lifts, separates and removes dirt from deep within the fibres, far more efficiently for a far superior clean. Activating the detergent also reduces the chances of residue being left on your washing at the end of the wash cycle. StainMaster Plus features 3 convenient preset wash modes. Quick select one of these 3 preset courses for intensive stain removal, such as mud, oily sauce or collar and sleeve, and the machine will automatically adjust the ideal wash temperature, time and water level for a quick, customised and effective clean. Set the machine to Hygiene and this washes clothes with very hot water that give fabric that extra hygiene clean. It removes bacteria and allergens that irritate sensitive skin from the clothes. Ideal for washing baby clothes, towels and bedding, and also for sports gear. Panasonic's front-load washing machines also feature smart technology such as 3D sensor wash. Inbuilt sensors detect unbalanced clothes during the wash cycle and it adjusts the tub rotation speed accordingly. Now this results in optimal lifting and dropping of the clothes for a tumbling wash and therefore obtaining far superior wash results.